Hi, I'm Sudhashree and I'm a software engineer by profession. Two words come to my mind when I think of the brand The Whitefield. One is simplicity and the other is elegance. I started wearing from them 6 months back and trust me, I haven't stopped buying. The dresses are very comfortable and the fits are perfect. I believe a lot of thought has gone in beside the fabric, the color that would appeal a work woman.
I spend half of my day either in office or commuting, and now working from home. So I need something that keeps me fresh throughout the day.
The clothes are designed keeping in mind the functionality as well, be it the deep pockets or the hemline. Every aspect of the clothing is inch perfect. Talking about the brand, it gives me a sense of confidence when I go out, so that I can stay true to my personality. I thank Vinita and the team Whitefield to come up with such a concept that truly inspires. And considering the current pandemic going on, they came up with an idea. A mask that would complement your dress. Here's mine.